In case you're unfamiliar, the LG V20 and its predecessor are in a class of their own, phones that have two screens. The main display operates as you'd expect. But the always-on second screen is reserved for notifications, quickly launching into your favorite apps, and showing extra bits of information, like the time and date. You can also toggle quick settings here, like turning on the flashlight, and customize the default signature to show a personal note, like a mantra or a reminder. Improvements over the second sliver of screen found in the V10 are minor, but welcome, and include brighter visibility at 68 nits, up from 35, as well as support for longer, scrolling marquee signatures. The V10 topped out at 14 horizontally scrolling characters, but you can do more here. Depending on the size of the font you choose and the length of the words, you're looking at between 24 and 30 characters. That's the difference between Please Buy Grow and Please Buy Groceries. In addition, the second screen can be programmed to switch off and turn back on at user-specified times. Being the first phone with Android Nougat pre-installed, the multi-window feature is the perfect complement to the second screen. Now, you'll be able to get even more work tasks done without an on-screen interruption, or enjoy a full-screen game without notifications getting in the way of the heads-up display. The second screen might first seem like a gimmick, and your mileage may vary, but it's truly handy to have a dedicated place to view essential info without popping out of an app, or even waking the phone, for that matter.